Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, got a good video for you here. Going to do a video for you about a free, powerful video editing software. It's completely free, and you're going to want to see this. It's a great piece of software, and you can download it to your computer. Alright, so stick around. We'll be right back in just a few seconds. Thanks. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you to the channel. And also those of you that have been here before, you know that we do videos on how-to videos, anything to do with making money videos, affiliate marketing videos, and general value videos, and once in a while we throw a motivation video in there for you too. Alright, so with all that out of the way, also if this is your first time here, make sure you reach down there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell button so that you get notified when we post new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Okay? Alright, so let's get into today's video. Like I told you in the intro there, I'm going to show you a piece of software that I found here recently. I didn't even know it was available myself until I ran across it the other day, and I thought I'd share it with you. So it's very powerful software. It's 100% free. It's a public domain software. You're free to manipulate it even however you want to. So it's a great piece of software. It's got an incredible amount of features on it, which I'll show you here in just a moment. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll get right in on this. And the software that we're talking about today is called Shotcut, and you see it right here. Shotcut, you can get it right here at shotcut.org. I see the address up there at the top there. It's a free open source cross-platform video editor. Cross-platform just means it works on Windows, Linux, and Macintosh computers. So you can download it for each platform, and then no matter if you're on a Macintosh computer and you come to this website, it'll pick up the fact that you're using Macintosh. As if you see, if I click on download here, it says right here, it says we think your OS is Microsoft Windows. So it picked up the fact that I'm running Windows operating system. So it'll do the same for Mac and Linux as well. Alright, so if we come back to the front page here, it's a free download. Just click and download. And it's got a wide format support, so it supports all kinds of video and audio formats. This thing is supposed to even capture webcam, so you can record video with it too, I think. Like I said, I'm just barely into this thing myself, and just barely know about it myself, but I wanted to share it with you guys because it'll help you if you're running a business and you're doing YouTube videos like I am, and you have a YouTube channel and you want a good free piece of software. This will help you in your business to make good quality videos, and there's a lot of things you can do with it in terms of you know, all the tools that it has and the slickness of how you want to make the videos. It's completely versatile. It's a very versatile piece of software, as you'll see here. In a little bit we'll go through the features here. Alright, so it's got wide video format support. It supports hundreds of audio and video formats and codecs, thanks to FFmpeg support. No import required, which means native editing, and plus multi-format timelines, resolutions, and frame rates within a project. Frame accurate seeking supported for many video formats, and then you can get more info on that right here. Device and transport options. This uses Blackmagic Design, SDI, and HDMI. This thing will even record in ultra high definition, 4K. So you're starting to see the power of this thing now. It's a great piece of software for free. It really is. In fact, I'm amazed that they're not selling this and they don't have a price on this. It's just amazing the greatness of this piece of software that it's free. Okay. All right, so in screen, here it is, webcam and audio capture. So you're supposed to be able to even record a video with this piece of software as well. You don't need any separate webcam software such as Camtasia, or I use VideoPad editor or anything like that. Actually, I use for my video that I'm recording this with is the OBS recording software, OBS, and that's 100% free as well. Alright, so it'll do, and it supports up to, here it tells you, it supports resolutions up to 4K and capture from SDI, webcam jack and pulse audio, IP stream, and X11 screen and Windows Direct Show devices. And sleek intuitive interface, multi-dockable and undockable panels, including detailed media properties, recent files with search, playlist, and thumbnail view. And it's got a filter panel, history view, encoding panel, a jobs queue, a melted server, and playlist. It's just incredible, all the stuff that it's got. And it's also got plenty of video tutorials. It'll even show you how to use it too, which those are up here. If we click on those, it's got getting started with it, multi-track timeline basics, crossfade and transitions, track filters, keyframes, and lots of other tutorials to go along with it that you can watch here too, how to work this piece of software. It is pretty feature rich, as you see right here. Click on features up here, and you see that it's pretty feature rich. I mean, it's just got a lot of stuff to it. Wide video or wide format support, as I was talking to you a little bit earlier. This shows all the stuff that it will do here. Again, here's your webcam capture and audio capture, so you can supposedly even record with this software too. But like I said, I'm just new with it. I have it installed on my computer. Right here it is, and I'm still learning it myself. I'm just playing around with it, trying to learn it a little bit, because it's so powerful, and it's got a lot of things to it that you can do, and so on and so forth. So it's got somewhat of a learning curve to it, and hence that's why all the videos, tutorials that you saw up here for it, because it's got such of a learning curve. Now, some of the audio features, you can, it's got audio scopes, loudness, a peak meter, waveform spectrum analyzer, volume control, audio filters, which are presets that you can use for the different sounds of the audio. It's got audio mixing across all the tracks, fade in and out audio, fade video from and to black with easy to use fader controls on the timeline. Crossfade the audio and video, dissolve transitions easily by overlapping shots on the same track of the timeline. Jack transport sync, not sure what that is. And a tone generator, and it'll do it in stereo, mono, or 5.1 stereo surround sound. So it's pretty versatile, even with the audio here too. The video effects, it's got a whole list of them here. I won't go through all these in detail like the others, but it's just video compositing across tracks. It'll handle HTML5 as a video source and filters, three-way shadows, mids, and highlights, video white transitions, fade in and out, audio and video, none, overs, add, saturate, multiply. It's got plenty of blending modes here and compositing here, you see, and all these video filters that you can use to really really make this thing work good for you on your videos. Come on down. It's got plenty of editing features here, as you can see. It's just loaded up with all kinds. It'll even handle drag and drop files. 3-point editing. It'll easy to use cut, copy, and paste operations, and it'll do scrubbing and transport control, keyframes and filter parameters, presets for the most filters and export, both supplied and user created. Cross-platform and codec independent, Windows, Linux, and Mac, like I was telling you earlier. and it just covers all the different encoding and transcoding to a variety of formats and codecs thanks to FFmpeg APIs. And it's just a pretty versatile piece of software. As you can see, this thing will do a lot. It'll handle different monitors. You can have like about 2 to 3 monitors on this thing and work with your video. Control the video zoom in the player, fit the viewable area to different size of screens that you can make the video in. Flexible UI through dockable panels, and recent files and panel thumbnail and waveform caching between sessions. I mean, you can just see this thing is very, very, very powerful. Hardware support here is interesting. It's got uses the Black Magic design, like I said earlier. It's got leap motion for jog and shuttle control, webcam capture again. It'll handle all the AMD, Intel, and NVIDIA graphics cards such as Radeon and GeForce, and all the NVIDIA video cards are capable of using this software too. Of course, you know, the more powerful your video card is, the quicker that and the more ability that you'll be able to do smoothly without lags or any kind of thing like that on your videos. So it handles all that too. And it says down here about Shotcut. Shotcut is a free, open source, cross-platform video editor for Windows, Mac, and Linux. They have major features in all which we've gone through, and it supports up to 4K ultra high definition. So, and you're free. It's open source software, so it means you're free to even manipulate the software to however you want to do it. If you're a programmer, a video editor programmer, and you know how to do this, you can make this thing do whatever you want it to do. Pretty much your imagination, I think, would be the limit here. Okay, so that pretty much is it today, guys. I wanted to share this with you, this piece of software here, and it's all free. Just come to shotcut.org. You can download it for free for any platform. Handles all the platforms there, and it'll get the job done. There's no question about that. This piece of software is incredible for being free. Like I said, I'm amazed that they don't charge for this. So I'll have the link for this website down there in the description. Also, reach down there if you want to see my #1 top-rated affiliate marketing business. Click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com, and you'll get over $3,600 of free bonuses to go along with this too, if you take either the free challenge, the free business challenge, which is 100% free, or if you decide to sign up for the Marketers Club in Legendary Marketer for the $30 a month slot, but it's free. The first 30 days are free and money back if you decide you don't want to stay with Legendary Marketer. Okay, all right, so check that out. Got plenty of other videos down there too that'll help you as well. Lots of motivation videos down there that'll perk you up too and help you out as well. Okay, all right, guys, so that's all I have for you today. Hope you liked this video. If you did, reach down there and hit the thumbs up button for me if you would, and give me a like, and also don't forget to subscribe, like I said earlier, to the channel. And I'll see you again here in a couple days on the next video. Okay, you guys have a great day. Bye bye now.